If your garage has limited wall space and room above the garage doors, Gorgeous Garage overhead racks are a great solution for storing long-term items off the floor and out of sight. The Gorgeous Garage ceiling rack system was designed with your lifestyle and safety in mind. The rack can easily be installed over the garage door, which is a space that is often overlooked and underutilized. This allows you to store seasonal or rarely used items without taking up space on your garage floor. The overhead racks are installed by professionals and backed by a lifetime warranty. Industrial-grade steel provides a strong and safe platform. The powder coating resists scratches and rust and comes in 3 colors: white, desert stone, and granite gray, to color coordinate with other Gorgeous Garage products. The patented open corner layout provides ease of access, while the T-brace design ensures the rack will not swing or sway. The unique grid pole base makes it easy to move items across the rack, while a 2-inch safety lip surrounds the rack to prevent items from falling. The rack height can be adjusted 26 to 44 inches from the ceiling. Each steel brace is mounted to 2 ceiling trusses for added security. This allows for a weight capacity of 750 pounds freestanding, or 1,000 pounds when attached to a wall. The most popular rack size is the 4x8 foot, with a 3x8 foot option also available. The racks can be used as an independent storage solution or as a secondary storage option in conjunction with Gorgeous Garage cabinets, shelving, and slat wall. Make the most out of the valuable space in your garage using Gorgeous Garage overhead storage racks.